your life begins with, do you follow those energies? Or can you wake up, take charge and heal it? And so that you will actually discover your purpose of life with love, instead of all of the environment, all of these things. I'll give you your personal information in just a minute, but I just want people to understand you don't have to be like, I went in accounting because someone told me, oh, you'd be good in accounting. I'm thinking, oh, they must know me. Okay. I don't know me. I did not realize I didn't know me, but I'll just listen because I that's all I've ever done. That's I've learned. And then when I was in accounting, I woke up one day and I'm like, what the hell am I here? This isn't me. I was brave enough to walk away. People, oh, you're a quitter. No, this isn't freaking me. I may like math to some degree, but not to the extent where you have to take and dream about them in bed at night. I'm not that much married to math. And so I said, what is me? And so I didn't get to discover me. I didn't understand I could find me. I didn't even know I could. I didn't know that was even an option. I thought the next logical step was I was supposed to find a man, and that's old paradigm, and that you're supposed to get married and have babies. And if you did that out of wedlock, oh, that's just evil and wrong. And oh my God, the shame, and you're going to hurt people's feelings. Again, none of that is really me. I was run by all those rules, run by all those things until I was like, no. And I said, what is me? What do I like? And then when I had my babies, and then I knew that in 2000, it was like, I have to create my future, because so far all the jobs out there suck. I don't want to be an accountant. Well, I went down that road when I got, I was like, oh God, no. I got hooked up the worst people to work with. That really soured my taste even further from wanting to do any form of accounting. And so I just kicked that out of my life. And then spirituality was not even a thing. It was spirituality, the church. You have to allow. And so I went down that road. And then I was asking the pastor about becoming a reverend or whatever, blah, blah, blah at that time. And he, but he had a belief that women shouldn't be it. But he didn't tell me that belief. He just kind of like, yeah, you can try this. You try this. But the whole time he had no faith. He had nothing. And I was going for a dream that I thought that was going to be good. And then I realized what he did. He was just playing me. And I said, no, done. Spirit, if this door is shut for me, find me another way. Without realizing I was talking to Spirit. Until one day I woke up and I'm like, I'm talking to Spirit. And I always have. I can look back when I was a child. I always have. And it started hitting and dawned on me. Not everybody thinks the way I think. Not everybody has the same heart as me. And I created this job just because Spirit said, oh, let's find you something that you love and you want and your purpose doesn't exist in that reality. Come over here. And then it sculpted itself. I let Spirit sculpt him every day. When my students come in, I'll say, you have to learn to work with Spirit, and Spirit will sculpt you to your identity of what your soul wants to become. And when you do, you get to rise higher. You get to break out of those paradigms. It's an amazing thing.